Have you ever wondered which tool is better for your projects, Pinecone or Chroma? Today, we'll dive into a quick comparison of these two popular options. Both Pinecone and Chroma are designed to help you manage and analyze data efficiently. They both offer unique features that can make your work easier and more effective. Let's start with Pinecone. This tool focuses on vector databases, making it great for handling large amounts of data. It's built for speed and scalability, which means it can grow with your needs. Pinecone is user friendly, so even if you are new to data management, you can get started quickly. Now, let's talk about Chroma. Chroma is also a database tool, but it emphasizes data visualization. It helps you see your data in a more understandable way. With Chroma, you can create beautiful charts and graphs that make your data come alive. This is especially useful for presentations or reports. When we look at the key differences, Pinecone shines in its performance with large datasets. It's perfect for applications that require quick searches and responses. On the other hand, Chroma stands out for its visual capabilities. If you need to present data clearly, Chroma is the way to go. In terms of features, Pinecone offers advanced search options and integration with machine learning tools. Chroma, meanwhile, provides various templates for data visualization and easy sharing options. Pricing can vary for both tools, but generally, Pinecone may be more cost effective for larger projects, while Chroma may have flexible plans based on your visualization needs. In conclusion, if you prioritize speed and data handling, go for Pinecone. If you want to focus on visualizing your data, Chroma is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.